What's up, Trail Trash? Welcome back. Today I'm going to talk to you about my rear bumper that I put on maybe a month or two ago. I want to discuss some of the things I really like about the bumper that I didn't even know when I purchased the bumper. So it may be a deciding factor for you if you want to get this bumper or not. So the bumper is by Warrior Products, and they are out of Oregon. Everything's made in the USA, so really good company to support. And I actually came across them because I was looking for a steel bumper that I could add a tire carrier to. And I actually got on Chat GPT and asked it the questions and everything, and it searched all the forums and all, and that was the #1 recommended bumper for doing what I wanted to do. So I figured it'd be a good starting point for me is just to get the bumper, and it was really a cheap bumper. I think shipped and everything, it was $980 something powder coated. So it's like one of the cheapest bumpers out there. And it's really well made and everything. And once I put it on, I did see that on the side where the tire carrier is going, it's a really good part that I can cut out and box in and gusset on the backside to actually support the tire carrier. It was good that ChatGPT was able to search all the forums and to see who's doing this, so I don't have to waste time doing that. So I did take a chance on purchasing the bumper like that, but it paid off, and this is why. So I love the shape of it and the body lines. Everything is just, it flows with the FJ looking from the front. It matches this and just comes around perfectly as far as body lines are concerned. As far as the body lines are concerned, I think it looks good on the FJ. The departure angles are good. It does give me more clearance than the factory, so you do gain clearance here on departure compared to the factory plastic. And another thing I like is it does have the cutout for a hitch. So if you have it fits the factory hitches from Toyota, but I have an aftermarket receiver hitch, and it did not work with the Warrior bumper. But all I had to do was flip it around, so it's still receiving, but it'll be a little closer on inside. But really the only thing I use this for will be recoveries. I have a recovery point that I can stick in there. I didn't opt for the recovery points on the bumper because I just don't like them sticking out. I don't know, it's a thing I have, but that's why I added this. So, and then right now I have it on rev nuts because I wanted to get it installed, but I'm going to put a few welds on it before I actually use it, just to strengthen it. So that's the trailer hitch, and like I say, the bumper claims that it works with the factory. Like a Toyota, if you have their receiver hitch and all, it will work with theirs. And here's the other thing I'm really digging is before with the plastic bumper, the OEM bumper, I had to use 2 wheel spacers so to hold my 35-inch tire. This is a true 35 by 1250 tire, and it would not fit without using spacers on the OEM bumper. But you can see the spacing's really good. You can see I got clearance there. I have about 3/4 of an inch of clearance there, and I took off both my wheel spacers. So my heavy tire is closer on the gate now, which is the way it should be. Before I didn't like it because it created a big gap in between there, which was great for waxing and cleaning, but I know the functionality of this is a lot safer and better for my FJ. And let me show you the section where I'll be supporting and cutting the bumper, and that's right here. So right here is where I will take and cut this section and box it in and gusset on the backside. and then from there the tire carrier will go across here, and then it'll latch on the other side, so it swings this way. So this is this will be my base anchor point hub assembly right here. It'll all be located right here, and I have the frame right here on the back side, so it'll be easy to get support to it and make sure I don't have any issues. All right, y'all, that is it for this week's video, just showing you my Warrior Products bumper, proudly made here in the USA, and I think it looks great. I think they did a great job. It fits the FJ, and for a lot less than a lot of the other bumpers, I think it's going to work out great. I will show you this one spot where I will be fabbing it up. So this is the section that I will have to cut into. I'll be cutting through here and boxing it in and putting gussets on the back side and just really doing a cutout so that the tire carrier can fit on here. This would be cut out and it'll go pretty much across here. So there'd be a gap there, but the base of it will be anchored here. And then the frame is on this side, so I will have plenty of support to be able to get it anchored and supported there. All right, y'all, that is it for this video. Just I want to do a quick video and talk about my Warriors Products bumper. I've been happy with it so far, and like I say, those little hidden features, especially being able to have a full-size spare without buying the relocation kit. It was really good not having to buy a relocation kit to house my spare. So anyway, if you have any questions, comments, anything, please drop them below. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. It helps me out. I would like to mention I do have some affiliate links in the description. If you shop anything OpenRoad, you can use code SHANE10 and get 10% off. If you need anything and want to help support the channel, that's one way to do it. Thanks for joining along, and if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Until next time, stay trashy.